Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and this video is a quick video to explain the benefits of a well thought out kitchen in a camper van. A lot of people, they go for, you know, prettiness and sleek style, very slim units, thinking that's the best way. But in my opinion and my experience, I like to cram as many cupboards as possible. Because a pop top, you know, you are limited on cupboards, it is a pop top. So making use of every inch of space is key to making a camper van work for yourself, and when you come to use it, you'll appreciate it more. And this is a few of the finer things we do at Orange Campers, because we really are dedicated camper vanners. We really sort of know what works and what doesn't work. I'll show you a few examples. So on here we've got a nice broad worktop. We've put in a nice sleek sink and cooker combination unit because it takes up less space and it works really well. We've got 2 rings, and we've got a hot and cold water tap, or a cold water tap, which is really useful. And then also you can drop these down and use these as work surface as well. So underneath there, again, we've got the sink bowl in this cupboard, but rather than just box it in, it's a good use of space around it. There's lots of cupboard space around there. You've got your gas taps in there, what meet gas regulations and so on. So that's still a very usable space. In the next cupboard down, we've got a deep pan drawer, which we do pull out if you need to get behind there, if you drop anything, so they're nice and easy. But they're nice and deep. It's a full-size drawer. Very useful, much better than clambering to the back of a cupboard, because you never get to see what's in there. Underneath that, we've got another one, really good sized drawer, very usable, very useful. So we've got the heater coming out the bottom of the kitchen, and we've got a nice light as well. There is a light above and there's a light below. We don't always, you know, we're not one of these companies that goes into changing lights, LEDs, things like that. We go more practicality. The next good thing about our kitchens is a cutlery drawer, which is amazing. You know, you can get all your bits and bobs in. You want a proper cutlery drawer, you can even get a cheese grater in there. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Now back to the video. And as always, in all of our vans, we use a 90 litre fridge, because we love cooking, we love going to markets and things, and if you pass somewhere, you want to buy something, you want to be able to put it into your fridge or your freezer, and the freezer works really well. That's a really good asset as well. So very usable fridge, very usable freezer. The next good thing, apart from all the wardrobes and things, we've got cupboards above, good sized units as well. And as always, we always hang our doors down. There's nothing worse than you're lifting the unit up, and I know it looks pretty and so on, but by the time you've opened it halfway, half of it's fell out. So because everything moves in a camper van, and that's the other thing, you know, so it is about practicality. So when you're looking in these, you know it's something, if you've crammed it heavily, you know it's not going to fall out because you can see it before it opens. And then the door's out of your way, you can use every bit of cupboard, rather than the door being above, you're having to bend down and look under that door. So little things make life a bit easier. Tables as well. So we've got a nice big table on the back of a seat for storage, and you can access it quite easily from here. You just pull it forward and pop it in. Now your big table can go in this position, and it makes a nice dining position. Or we put another table rail in, very simple idea, another table rail, and then your table can go here. So then all of a sudden when you're cooking, you've got all this expanse of space, which works really well. Or if you want to dine on the table and sat in that position, turn your passenger seat round, flip this seat over really simply, and then straight away 2 people can dine instantly either side of a table. So little things like that make a massive difference. The other good little device, what we use most of the time, to be honest, because you don't want to be putting a big table up all the time. So we open the cutlery drawer, we put a little pop-in sort of table, which is an occasional table, and that works really well, because if you're cooking, you just want that bit more space. You've got a great space, it's nice and sturdy, and it just opens up the van. Or if you've stopped for a quick break and you want to make a sandwich, it's a great little table. You can turn that table round, your chair round from the front, and you can both use it to have a sandwich, cup of tea on. And you've still got all this leg room as well. Part of the kitchen for us has been outdoors. So cooking outdoors, I mean, summer's on its way, it's getting really exciting. We love summertime, so we can use as vans. And we cook outside most of the time, in a campsite, or if you just parked up. Often at the services we'll stop and I'll still get the Cadac out and we'll still make a sandwich, cup of tea outside, you know. So and that just plugs into our gas tank as always, and you can just bring it round here, set it up, and it's all done. So cooking, your kitchen continues outside, and that's one of the best features of vans, you know, to be outdoors. Hope this video helps. If you like our videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and check us out for more videos.